Hey friends! Are you tired of messy wires cluttering your workspace? Today we are finding the best cable management solutions available. In this video, we're taking a look at the best cable management box in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Fansto Underdesk Cable Management Kit. This smart and efficient system utilizes 20 pairs of robust hook and loop holders to effectively eliminate tangled messes in your professional workspace. You can use these adjustable straps individually to secure up to 15 cables, ensuring everything stays in place without slipping or loosening. The segmented design fits perfectly into narrow or tight spaces without requiring any specialized tools for a remarkably quick installation. Strong acrylic adhesive pads provide a firm, lasting hold on glass or wood surfaces while leaving absolutely no sticky residue behind when removed. This comprehensive kit is backed by responsive customer support to help you maintain a professional, clutter-free environment in your modern home office or creative studio setup. Next up, our second product, the Jodo Cable Management Sleeves. This set of 4 zip-up neoprene sleeves offers a simple yet highly effective way to conceal unsightly cords behind your high-definition television. Measuring roughly 20 inches each, the flexible material comfortably accommodates up to 10 individual cables for a streamlined and professional look in any room. You can even zip 2 separate sleeves together to double your capacity for larger wiring bundles, providing the ultimate versatility for tech-heavy entertainment centers. Installation is incredibly straightforward. Just gather your cords, wrap the sleeve around them, and zip it up for an instant professional finish. These durable covers protect against dust and general wear while remaining flexible enough for easy adjustments whenever you decide to reorganize your various household electronics. Coming in at number 3, the Univivi Large Capacity Underdesk Tray. This expansive 36-inch tray is the ultimate heavy-duty solution for organizing bulky power strips and large power adapters beneath your primary workstation. It features 2 convenient mounting options, including no-drill clamps and screw fixing, making it compatible with almost any wood, glass, or metal desk. The foldable design and built-in ties ensure that accessing your cables remains effortless while keeping every single wire secured neatly in place at all times. Crafted from thick, flame-retardant 600D Oxford fabric and a sturdy frame, this tray maintains its shape even when loaded with your heavy equipment. This stylish organizer combines rugged durability with a sleek appearance, offering total peace of mind through a reliable design that truly prioritizes a clean and safe workspace. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Agptek Self-Closing Cable Sleeves. These self-closing sleeves represent a smart, practical solution for protecting and organizing your essential wiring at home or in your busy office. Each pack contains 2 5-foot lengths that can be easily trimmed with scissors to fit custom corners or very tight desk areas. Made from non-toxic, flame-retardant materials, these covers are exceptionally safe for households with curious pets or small children who might accidentally chew wires. They boast high-temperature resistance and a clean, odor-free finish that ensures long-lasting durability across various environments, including automotive or home theater setups. The innovative design allows for rapid bundling while maintaining easy access to your cables, significantly enhancing both the safety and the overall aesthetics of your living room or workspace. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Yecaye J-Channel Cord Organizer. The J-Channel system offers a premium approach to managing loose wires neatly along walls or directly under your office desk for a professional look. This comprehensive kit includes 6 black channels featuring a unique outward-facing opening that makes inserting or removing various cables incredibly fast and simple for any user. Installation takes only seconds with the strong pre-applied adhesive tape, which stays secure yet removes cleanly with heat if you ever need to reposition it. These flexible channels can hold up to 10 cords each, providing an extra layer of protection for your family and pets against dangerous tangles. Constructed from durable, flame-retardant PVC, this kit combines professional functionality with a streamlined look to ensure your modern workspace remains both safe and visually impressive. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Have a question or suggestion? Leave it in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.